Sparks, what's up? And hello to my new subscribers. My name's Montina, and my mission here is to inspire, educate, and share information that helps you thrive in life and thrive in business. If that sounds good to you, subscribe. All right, so today I want to talk about rental history reporting as it relates for your personal credit, which will also help with your business credit. A lot of people teach online that you can get business credit without using your personal social security number, no PG or personal guarantee. And guys, it's just not true. Okay, so you really want to pay attention to your personal credit. There may be some creative things you can do also on the business side once you get loans and lines of credit, where you can pull the lines of credit and perhaps give yourself an owner's distribution to assist to get a lift so you can get your personal credit in order. Rental history payments. I've seen a lot of this online. My actual place, I rent a luxury apartment. I don't own a home anymore, sold it. I love where I live, love what I do. And I actually have my rental history reporting. Now, I can't say that I saw a significant increase when it happened because my scores at the time were probably above 650 already. But for those of you with lower scores, it can't hurt. I'll leave a link below for the company that I use. I pay $4.95 a month, so it's not enough for me to say, is it working or not working? I'd rather at least do it. And it pulled all of my rental history for years. So it backdated all of it, and then it reports going forward. So again, does it work? Possibly. But what you want to do is make sure that your credit card utilization is low. And you also want to see if you can get become an authorized user on a friend or family member's credit cards. And if you don't have friends or family that can help you, guys, you need to be in winner circles, because you need to get in a circle where other people can help you win, so you can in turn help other people win. So that's kind of my comment on it. If it's a lower score for you, maybe in the 500s, 600s, yes, definitely. If you're above 650 or so, I have not seen where it's helped, but I didn't see where it hurt either, okay? All right, if you have any other questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.